Hello, my children. In this video, we are going to be looking at a profitable trading strategy with stats and Malaysian support and resistance. Why Malaysian support and resistance? Because apart from my work, Malaysian support and resistance is insanely and infinitely superior to ICT concepts and any smart money concept out there. Fight me, cry in the comment section. I don't give two shits. Okay, it just gives me more engagement, which then pushes my channel, and then you're going to see me everywhere you go. All right. So first of all, let's think about it like this, right? You can see on my chart, on my screen, uh, here's the stats, right? So with the stats, we are getting the manipulation levels and we are getting the distribution levels. Then we have the midnight open as well, okay? And you can see that I'm using a line chart over here to denote the support and resistance levels, right? Now, this level that you're seeing in this thumbnail is a H4 level, which I will be showing you guys in a bit, all right? Or maybe not, I don't know, let's see. Okay, so take a look. Right. Now, we have to understand one thing. Okay. Now, this one thing is that the trade easy stats is what we are using. Okay. To understand where a high or low is going to form. A high probability high or low. Only problem is not every day will you see price go to the manipulation level, but most of the time it will. Okay. So think about it like this. The TradeEasy Stats is an application within the TradeEasy framework or suite of algorithms that looks at the statistical manipulation levels historically. Yeah. So it's going to be providing you, the trader, the most likely level in which price will manipulate towards before expanding for the day. Now, this is used in line with other points of interest of your choice, of course. But in this video, we will be using these stats with Malaysian SNR. So you know that when we open, we manipulate, and that's distribution. We open, manipulate, and that's distribution, right? Now you can say, Sean, there's a guy that is already doing this. Yes, but as with any competitive market, I come with a better product. All right. So let's take a look. This is basically TradeEasy stats with the levels only. Yeah. So this is the manipulation level, bearish manipulation level. This is the bullish manipulation level. And then this is the bearish distribution level. This is the bullish distribution level. Okay. So you can see in this example that price opened at the midnight, dropped down into the bullish manipulation level. And now what we need to do is we need to identify if there's an SNR level around this area. So basically, if you have a manipulation level like this, let's say, and price opens and goes down, then of course you want to find an SNR level below this manipulation level. Now, if it is there exactly at that manipulation level, then oh wow, that's even better. So I hope you understand what I mean, right? So on the left side, we have the trade DC stats with the levels outlined. And here we have the trade easy stats with the SNR outlined as well. So this blue line that you're seeing over here is an SNR level on the left side of the chart. Okay. Hits that perfectly and then it goes up into the distribution level. Isn't that simple? You can buy somewhere here, use the primary and secondary sequence intra-session, stop loss, TP, done for the day. Now, when you're taking trades, right, the biggest fallacy, the biggest account blow that exists in our industry right now is that when we take a trade, or let's just say when we're actively trading, oh, after our first trade hits take profit, we must take another trade. I must compound my wins somehow. Really? So you're telling me when the distribution targets have been met, you want to look for another trade. Because if price goes there, and if price even sells off, sure, you can get a scalp. Okay. You can get a scalp, or you can just position yourself for a reversal that will be continued the next day. But most of the time, when price hits that level, what's going to happen? Go down, fuck you, go down, fuck you two, go down, fuck you three, and then the day ends. So you're getting fucked twice and thrice, literally giving back everything you made in the first win that you had, right? So make it a habit, okay? Always make it a habit, right? To basically do this. Always make it a habit to take your profits after one trade and then go. Okay, and then go. Where to go? Go watch Netflix, go watch a movie, go do something, but stop trading. Okay, now let's take a look at a case study on live charts using primary and secondary sequence. All right, so let's go to my charts. So lucky for you, I have a live trade going on over here, which might not last long because the bias is bullish for the day. And when the bias is bullish, you really don't want to mess with counter trend trades. All right, when the bias is bullish, you really, really, really don't want to mess with counter trend trades. So what I did was I just closed my trade. So I close it here. Okay, right, the quick 1:2. Okay, so to show you how this exactly works, right, we need to show the statistical manipulation levels. Okay, so the statistical manipulation levels, what you can see is that on the 15-minute chart, which is the chart that we need to use it on, price hits the statistical manipulation level there and gives a sell, which is a sell that you just saw me closing. Okay, now what you can do is convert this to a line chart. But before you convert it to a line chart, just draw the levels out because they're not going to remain the same when you switch time frames. Okay, the red lines are your manipulation levels. So you go to the 4-hour, go to a line chart, and now what we're going to do is we're going to see, okay, here, where's my SNR level? Oh, well, my friend, is this one, no? Sharp A, sharp A, that one. Go back to the 5, go back to the candles, and now what do we have? Oh, wow, manipulation level hits the SNR level, CSD, IFVG, GTA, GTAV, da OB. And so, all right. So, where did I take my sell? I took my sell inside of this CSD candle, right? This one. Yeah, as it formed, I took a sell. Done. Why that? Because now take a look at this from the perspective of a London session sequence, right? It is a secondary sequence, okay? How is it a secondary sequence? Why? And how? Look, this is engineered liquidity. Price runs up, okay? Forms the high right there. This doesn't go above that high. This also doesn't go above that high. Between these two intervals, we need to see price go up. Otherwise, we need to say that this is a sequence 2. So because I realized that, okay, this is a sequence 2, what I can do is use my CSD candle and sell immediately as it formed. And that is exactly what I did. How simple is that? Because look at this now, even though I explained it really fast, think about it from the perspective of a sequence, like a process, right? The first process is manipulation level. Second process is SNR level. Third process is, what's the third process? Uh, Primary or secondary sequence. What's the fourth process? Once you know if it's a primary or secondary sequence, you know exactly how you can enter. So that's entry. And just like that, you have an insanely profitable trading system that will give you PRR, 2RR, plus, plus, plus. It is as simple as that. Okay. So this is a live example. Okay. So I hope you guys found this insightful. And if you guys want the candle counting debunked video, you need to comment that you want it. I need 5. No, you know what? Fuck that. I need 10 comments. I need 10 comments. I need all of you watching this to like this video. And if you do that, I'll I'll do the debunking the candle counting video because when you see me debunking this and when you learn the shit that I'm going to teach you in that video, my goodness gracious me, you're gonna fucking thank me. Okay? And you realize how you're being scammed. Okay, so anyways, with that said, today's the last day, December 1st, last day to get your Black Friday discount for the algorithms. And what else is there to say? Look at the top right corner, you got a sell signal. That's another reason why I took the sell. This is effortless trading. All right. Well, every one of you while you guys are busting your brains out, busting your ass off, trying to find the next trading model, trying to find the direction, everyone within the trade easy community, they have all this information in front of them and they can do a million things with it, making their shit extremely easy. So, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Bye bye.